Hello guys, it's Unders, and today I'm just going to come at you with a little bit of an idea, a little bit of a mindset thing that I think you guys, or at least some of you, might really need to switch on to if you want to be making music and having a successful career or even aspiration towards that. And you need to get this idea of switching out from negativity and taking the positivity and the good things out of what you can find. So a key example of this is you might watch a video that's say 6 minutes long and it's full of really useful content, and during that there'll be a door slam or something like that, and you will focus on that door slam, that noise, that less than 1 second of non-information, and by focusing on that you disregard the other 5 minutes and 59 seconds of really useful and helpful information. Now that seems like a really trivial thing, but if you're doing it with something where you're being provided free information, free useful information, and you're disregarding it for something really small and minor, you're going to take that into every aspect of your life. You need to focus on the bigger picture, all of those positive little things that happen during that video. Focus on all of those. The tiny door slam is minor, it doesn't affect you, it was a small thing that occurred. Disregard. Take in all the positivity, all of the good things, all of the useful stuff you can get from that. The same applies to when you're looking at somebody else's music. So if you look at someone's content and they've created this, you'll all the time see comments or hear comments like hi-hat too loud. Great. That doesn't help that person, that doesn't help you. You've focused on this one singular negative. Now you know as a creative, it takes a really long time to build a project, put it all together and put it out there in front of someone. That person has probably done more than you already. By building that, putting it out and having you view it, they're probably already ahead of you. So to drop a bit of negativity, a singular focused, pointless thing, doesn't help. If you want to give that sort of feedback, you need to take into why this thing doesn't seem correct and all the things that go around it and how they work together. Focus on those positives to bring the negative to light rather than just highlighting a negative. You need to do this in every aspect of your life. If you are going for a job interview, for example, you don't sit there and go, I work really hard, but you know what, on the weekends I can't even be bothered to get dressed. Let's focus on that. You don't do that. You focus on all of the good things and how you can bring all of those together. The common thing is, I work too hard as a negative trait. You need to have that mindset, like the sell or be sold mindset with everything you do. It's a really positive way to go forward and focus on things. You'll find if you do that, you'll find a lot more useful, positive things out of content. So for example, in this video, the lighting's probably crap, but take the mindset out of it. Ignore the small thing coming out of it and take the bigger picture. You need to apply that to so many other things. And if you do it, you'll find that you can see other things that you didn't before. You'll take in more information. You'll have a better understanding, and you'll also have a better reciprocation with other people when you want to put your content out there. And you're finally at that stage. Just throwing out this negativity and being the worst version of yourself doesn't get you anywhere. Guys, I hope that was a helpful little mindset changer, and I will see you on the next video.